Therefore, ba'abosi ve'eso. Now, I desire it because of my desire. And when I desire the Hesdolim, I test it. Usquanem up, nation will tremble against them. But Oscom, say, I'll know some. When I tell time them to their own know some. We find in the Sefer Canaan, we find one of the Canaan, the utensils that used when you harness the oxen under a yoke. That under harness oxen under a yoke. There are, as we said, on or hold on. That's like but the new explains there. This is a leather which you put over the neck, and then you put the yoke on top of the neck, and then you put the reins right around the neck through the some hole in these. Oh no, sir. Here it means like this. By Israel was harnessed to Avodah Zarah in John and in Beit. And they had attached themselves just like an ox cannot get off the plow or whatever it is because of the rein which are tied to the onosom, to their yoke girdle, whatever it is called. So Israel had tied itself to the two Avodah Zarahs, but Otcom, they, in other words, they yoked themselves to the two leather rings, but they have two onosom, which are the two Avodah Zarahs. And the Avotim they told him, but Uthru Amem